After just 7 hours of uploading the video, it got over 1,400 views, as you can see. This is the channel I created 3 days ago, and the results I got were truly crazy. And I want you to do the same. So, I'll explain my system to you step by step so you can start today. Here are the top 3 niches that have proven their success and brought millions of views. In this video, you will learn from scratch how to create each niche with the finest details, and you will become a professional in creating videos. This video was made specifically to become an expert in creating viral videos. This is not just another course, it's a complete high-impact blueprint you won't find anywhere else. These 3 niches were chosen based on the most successful in going viral. But I have one request: watch all 3 niches and how to create them accurately so you can choose the best one for you. Niche number 1, Ancient Human Chronicles. This niche is trending right now. Look, one single video brought 10 million views. That's massive proof this niche is in demand. The idea behind this niche is very unique. They're creating videos about day in the life of early humans. And the amazing part? Creating videos like these is not difficult at all. I'll show you exactly how to create them step by step. Let's start. Step 1. Generate titles. Open ChatGPT. Go to the document linked in the description. Copy the title prompt from that document. Paste it into ChatGPT. Hit enter. Generate 10 to 20 title options. Read each one out loud. Choose one that feels cinematic, triggers curiosity, sounds dramatic, and matches prehistoric survival theme. Step 2. Generate the full script. Go back to the document, copy the story prompt, paste it into ChatGPT with your chosen title and desired video length. Generate the full script. Read it once. Does it have real stakes? If it reads like a boring textbook, hit regenerate and tell ChatGPT, add more emotional tension. Make the danger feel real. Step 3. Convert script into scene prompts. Return to the document, copy the visual sequence prompt, paste it into ChatGPT with your full script. Specify the number of scenes, for example 25. Here's the problem most people hit. Vague moments like, character walks through forest, won't cut it. You need something like 5 primitive humans sprint across cracked earth under harsh overhead sun, dust exploding around their feet. Specific details create atmosphere. Generate the numbered moments and copy them exactly as they are. Step 4. Video generation. Open Google Labs Flow. Create a new project in video generation mode. Select VO 3.1 and set the aspect ratio to 16:9. Paste each moment one by one. Generate variations. Now watch all of them before picking. Sometimes, variation 1 is garbage and variation 4 is perfect. Look for natural movement and dramatic lighting. Download the best version. Now open CapCut and add the scene to the timeline. Then move precisely to the very last frame and take a screenshot of it. After that, paste the second prompt, and at the Start option, upload the frame you just captured. We do this so the new scene begins from the exact same visual composition, making the shots feel like a natural continuation of each other without any sudden cuts. Now complete the rest of the scenes in the same way. Step 5. Editing. Open CapCut, create a new project, import all clips, arrange them chronologically. Watch your full sequence. Does the energy build or does it flatline? Look for dead frames where nothing happens. Cut them ruthlessly. Trim dead frames. Optionally add a very subtle fade of 0.2 to 0.3 seconds. This is the final video. Export in 1080p, highest quality. Step 6. Thumbnail creation. Copy the thumbnail prompt from the document, paste it into ChatGPT with your topic and script to generate the final thumbnail prompt. Switch Google Labs Flow to image generation mode in 16:9, generate the image. Look at the options. Which one has the most striking visual? Prehistoric thumbnails that work have 3 elements: powerful human figure, harsh natural lighting, sense of scale. If it looks like stock footage, regenerate. Download the best dramatic version without adding text. Step 7. Upload and SEO. Upload the video to YouTube Studio and use the generated title. Copy the SEO optimization prompt from the document into ChatGPT to generate description, hashtags, and tags. Your first 3 description lines are what YouTube reads and what viewers see in search. Pack them with keywords, but keep them natural. Paste everything into YouTube Studio. Set Made for Kids to No and Altered Content to Yes. That checkbox is required for AI-generated realistic content. Add tags and publish. Niche number 2, 3D documentary. This niche is experiencing an explosion of views. Imagine this. This channel gained more than 200,000 subscribers from just 14 videos. And this channel has more than 300,000 subscribers from only 9 videos. That's insane. They're creating 3D documentaries with a unique and fresh style. Not like traditional documentaries, but unique 3D animation. So we're going to start now explaining how to do it like them, step by step. Step 1. Channel Setup. Open ChatGPT and copy the channel name prompt from the document in the description. Paste it in and generate 10 modern documentary-style names. Take a moment to read through each one. Say them out loud and see which one feels right. You're looking for something that sounds authoritative but approachable. Once you've picked one, copy the channel description prompt from the same document and generate your SEO description. Now, head to YouTube Studio and click Create Channel. Add your name, handle, and description. Next, copy the logo prompt. Paste it into ChatGPT along with your channel name. Take the generated prompt over to Leonardo AI. Choose the Phoenix model, set the ratio to 1:1, and hit Generate. Download your favorite logo and upload it to your channel. For the banner, open Canva and select the YouTube banner template. Keep the design minimal and dark to match that documentary aesthetic, then upload it to your channel. Step 2. Channel SEO. Head to YouTube Studio, then go to Settings, Channel and Keywords. Open ChatGPT and use the channel SEO prompt to generate optimized keywords. Here's what most people miss. Channel keywords help YouTube understand what your entire channel is about. This affects how you show up in suggestions. Paste the keywords into the channel keywords field. Step 3. Topic and script creation. Now copy the topic generation prompt. Paste it into ChatGPT and generate topic ideas inspired by high-performing 3D documentary channels. Here's a helpful approach. Look for topics that are popular but find a fresh angle on them. Pick the topic that excites you most. Now copy the script prompt from the document, paste it in along with your chosen topic, and set your desired video length. Generate the full documentary script. Give it a quick read. You want to make sure that every 60 seconds or so, there's a fact or insight that makes viewers stop and think. If the script feels too smooth without any surprising moments, just regenerate it with a request for more engaging facts. Step 4. Visual, animation, and sound prompts. Stay in the same ChatGPT conversation. Go back to the document and copy the image prompt template, animation prompt template, and sound effect prompt template. Paste them one by one into ChatGPT. Generate 25 cinematic image prompts, 25 animation prompts, and 25 sound prompts. Step 5. Video production. Start by opening 11 Labs. Paste your full documentary script into the voice generation section and choose a calm, authoritative documentary-style voice. Generate the full narration and download the final audio file. Make sure the pacing feels natural and professional. Next, go to Google Labs Flow and access the image generation model. Paste each cinematic image prompt one by one and generate high-quality 16:9 images. Review each image carefully. If any image feels visually inconsistent or lacks documentary realism, regenerate it immediately. Now switch to Google Veo 3.1. Upload the generated image for Scene 1. In the same prompt field, paste both the animation instruction for that scene, the sound design prompt for that same scene. This is important. When converting the image into video, always combine the visual animation description with the diegetic sound effects description in one unified prompt. Generate each scene as a short cinematic clip with embedded environmental sound. Repeat this process for all scenes, ensuring tone, lighting, and pacing remain consistent. Step 6. Editing. Once all clips are ready, download them and place them into CapCut Timeline. Add your 11 Labs voiceover above the clips. Carefully align visuals with narration, trim unnecessary pauses, and maintain steady documentary pacing. Also add music. You can use Epidemic Sound or YouTube Audio Library. This is the final video.
He never saw the code that judged him. There was no courtroom, no hearing, no accusation delivered face to face. Just an email. Brief, neutral, almost apologetic.
Step 7. Thumbnail. Go back to the document and copy the thumbnail prompt. Paste it into ChatGPT along with your video title and generate a thumbnail concept. Open Leonardo AI, choose the Phoenix model, set it to 16:9, and hit Generate. For documentary thumbnails, you're aiming for a clean background, bold readable text, and one intriguing visual element. The goal is for viewers to understand what your video is about in under a second. Download your best option, and you're ready to upload. Niche number 3, Police Dog Niche. After just 7 hours of uploading the video, it got over 1,400 views, as you can see. This is the channel I created 3 days ago, and the results I got were truly crazy. And I want you to do the same. So I'll explain my system to you step by step so you can start today. After weeks of research, I found this channel that's absolutely crushing it. They're getting tens of millions of views with simple police dog shorts. For example, this short of theirs got 352 million views. If we take the average YouTube Shorts revenue rate of around 10 cents, that translates to roughly $35,000. And that's from just one short. But here's what caught my attention. These videos aren't complex 3D animations like you'd expect. They're using AI-generated scenes stitched together with smart storytelling. And the comments? People are obsessed. Thousands of comments asking for more. So I dug deeper, analyzed their top 20 videos, studied the structure, watched how they hook viewers in the first 3 seconds, how they build tension, how they deliver payoffs. And I found 6 consistent patterns across every viral video. Production process. Alright, here's where it gets interesting. We're going to use Gemini to write our scripts, but we're not doing this blindly. We're reverse engineering success. Step 1. Frame-by-frame analysis with Gemini. First, go to the viral channel you're studying, Mystic Chronicles. Find their top 5 performing shorts. Copy the URLs. Now open Gemini. Here's exactly what you're going to do. Paste all 5 video links into Gemini. Then give it this instruction. Analyze these 5 shorts frame by frame. I want you to identify the story structure, scene transitions, visual elements, audio cues, music choices, pacing, and any patterns across all 5 videos. Be extremely detailed. Now here's what makes Gemini powerful for this. It doesn't just watch the videos, it breaks them down shot by shot. It notices when music changes, when sound effects hit, how long each scene lasts, the exact moment the conflict appears, everything. Let Gemini process this. It takes about 2 minutes. When it comes back, you'll have a complete breakdown of what makes these videos work. And this is information you'd never catch just watching casually. This is the secret sauce these channels are using, laid out in plain text. Step 2. Generating story scenarios. Now that Gemini understands the formula, we're going to put it to work. Tell Gemini, based on those patterns, write me 10 different story scenarios about heroic K9 rescues. Each scenario should have 4 distinct scenes. For each scene, provide a detailed visual description, the voiceover dialogue, and specific sound effects that should be used. This is where you need to pay attention. Gemini is about to give you 10 complete video outlines. But not all of them will be good. Some will be generic. Some will be too complex. Some won't match the energy of viral content. Your job is to read through all 10 and pick the one that makes you feel something. The one where you can already visualize it playing out. The one that has a clear conflict and a satisfying resolution. That's your winner. Don't settle for mediocre just because AI generated it. Once you've selected your scenario, you should have 4 scene descriptions. Each description should be detailed, not just dog runs. That level of detail matters, because that's what you're about to feed into the video generator. And the more specific you are, the better your output will be. Step 3. Generating Scene 1. Now open artlist.io. This is where the magic happens. Copy your first scene description, paste it into the AI Toolkit prompt box. Before you generate, make sure these settings are correct. Model: Google Veo 3 Fast. This is crucial. Don't use other models. Veo 3 Fast gives you the best balance of quality and generation speed for this style of content. Aspect ratio, vertical, 9:16. If you select horizontal by accident, you will then find it difficult to make the scene vertical without it getting corrupted. Duration, 6 seconds. 6 seconds gives you enough movement and action without dragging. Remember, we're stitching 4 of these together, so each scene needs to move fast. Double check everything, then send. This takes about 3 minutes. While you're waiting, pull up your second scene description because we're about to move fast. Step 4, the continuation trick. Here's where most people mess up. They generate all 4 scenes separately and wonder why the video feels disjointed, why there's no flow, why it looks like 4 random clips instead of one story. The secret is scene continuity. And here's how you achieve it. When your first scene finishes generating, download it. Open it in your video player. Scrub to the very last frame, the final moment before it ends. Take a screenshot of that exact frame. Now go back to Artlist. Start generating your second scene, but before you paste the prompt, upload that screenshot as a reference image. Then paste your second scene description, then send. What this does is tell the AI, start from here. It sees the ending position of your character, the lighting, the camera angle, and it tries to continue from that point instead of starting fresh. This creates seamless transitions. Your character doesn't teleport, the environment stays consistent, the story flows. This one trick is the difference between amateur AI content and professional-looking shorts. Step 5. Repeat for remaining scenes. Now you just repeat this process. Generate scene 2. Screenshot the last frame. Upload it as reference for scene 3. Generate scene 3. Screenshot the last frame. Upload it for scene 4. By the time you're done, you'll have 4 video clips that flow together like they were planned by a professional video editor. Total generation time? About 15 minutes for all 4 scenes. Compare that to hours of manual video production or hundreds of dollars hiring someone. Step 6. Assembly in CapCut. Download all 4 clips. Open CapCut. Create a new project. Set your canvas to 9 by 16 if it's not already vertical. Import all 4 video files. Drag scene 1 onto the timeline. Watch it. Does it feel right? Does the pacing work? If yes, great. If no, trim it. Cut out any slow moments. AI sometimes generates buffer frames at the start or end. Remove them. Now drag scene 2 right after scene 1. Watch the transition. This is where that screenshot trick pays off. If you did it right, the transition should feel natural, not perfect. AI isn't perfect, but natural enough that viewers won't notice. Continue adding scenes 3 and 4. Once all 4 are on the timeline, watch the full sequence. Look for any dead moments, any frames where nothing is happening. Cut them out ruthlessly. Your final video should be between 20 and 25 seconds of pure action. One more thing, make sure the title is something like this: Brave K9 Dog Saved the Bus. From a disaster, #dogs, #rescue, #animals. For example, we chose this title for the first video, Brave K9 Dogs Saved Hikers from an Iceberg Crash. #dogs, #rescue, #animals. Now let's see what happened after I posted this video. I uploaded it at 8 p.m. After 20 hours, the video had over 1,800 views, as you can see, and 13 likes. The second video, after 7 hours, had more than 1,400 views, average percentage viewed was 123%, and the channel got 8 subs. Those are viral level metrics. After the third video, I gained 15 subscribers. This is from posting just 1 short a day, so what happens if I post 3 a day or 5 a day? That's a strong signal this niche has viral potential. What I want you to do is start now and take advantage of this opportunity. If you want more viral faceless AI niches like these, watch the playlist appearing on the screen.